With social apps booming, your Android Contacts app still holds key info: friends, colleagues, clients. To keep it safe, here are 12 top contact backup apps for Android. Let's dive in. Top 1. Best Contact Backup App for Android. Backup Manager for Android. As one of the best contact backup apps across the globe, MCBackup Manager for Android, Win and Mac, termed Android Backup and Restore, allows you to back up almost all Android data to a computer and restore it anytime. Step 1. Launch the software and connect your Android via USB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging. Once detected, choose Backup. Step 3. Choose Contacts and specify a location on your computer to store the files. Finally, tap Backup to initiate contact backup, and you're good to go. Top 2. Android Backup and Restore. Android Backup and Restore offers a reliable way to selectively back up your Android data to a PC or Mac. This highly rated tool supports contacts, messages, call logs, calendars, photos, music, videos, apps, and app data, handling even simple contact backups. Top 3. MCBackup. Being one of the best free contact backup apps for Android, MCBackup can back up and restore all your contact details with minimum effort. After that, you can copy them to Excel, email, or other apps. Top 4. Titanium Backup. Titanium Backup, available in 32 languages, is built for rooted Android devices. Check if your phone is rooted. Once installed, it lets you back up contacts, bookmarks, SMS, call logs, photos, videos, and more. Top 5. G-Cloud Backup. G-Cloud Backup makes it pretty simple to create backups of more than one device on an external device like an SD card. After you get its free version, you'll have 1 GB of storage space. Top 6. Helium Premium. Helium Premium allows you to back up your Android phone without needing root access. The full version offers an ad-free experience and supports backups to a computer or cloud services via companion app. Top 7. Super Backup and Restore. Super Backup and Restore, dedicated Android contacts backup app, allows you to back up items like apps, messages, call logs, calendars, bookmarks, etc. It saves data on an SD card, Gmail, or even Google Drive with zero data loss. Top 8. MCBackup My Contacts Backup. Working offline with a USB cable only, Backup My Contacts Backup enables you to copy Android or iOS files to your computer or send them via email attachments. It carries out a simple sync of your device with just one click. Top 9. Contact Backup. Contact Backup features a clean, user-friendly interface that allows you to back up Android contacts to your SD card, Google Drive, or Gmail. Notably, its beta version lets you transfer selected contacts to another Android or iOS device without needing a Wi-Fi connection. Top 10. Contacts by Google. Last but not least, Contacts by Google. Contact backup or management app for Android has good integration with the Google ecosystem. It works to make backups of all your Android contacts and restore them accordingly. Top 11. MCBackup Backup and Restore. MCBackup Backup and Restore is an Android utility app that helps users back up and restore their contact list quickly and securely. It is particularly useful when switching phones, resetting a device, or safeguarding against accidental data loss. Top 11. MCBackup Backup and Restore. MCBackup Backup and Restore is an Android utility app that helps users back up and restore their contact list quickly and securely. It is particularly useful when switching phones, resetting a device, or safeguarding against accidental data loss.